Hi Chaz, I want to thank you for sending in your samples for us to test on the clicker press. Got your nailed designs here. I'm going to go ahead and test this one first. I think what you're going to need is a steel rule die. If you're going to have this orientation, we can have all these cavities put in here so you can have actually 6 cuts at one time. This is just one 4x4 right here. So what I'm going to do is lay this down on top just to show you. It's probably not going to be real accurate, but show you that the cutting ability. And you can cut out all three of them at one time real quick. Now you probably do more layers than that. This material here is basically going to be the same. It's just a different orientation on your cut. So what we can do is we could try 5 layers. I'm going to go ahead and cut 5 layers here. See how that cuts. Cuts out just fine. So you can be able to cut 5 of those at one time, at least, maybe more, depending on how thick your material is. It'll probably work just fine. Now, this is going to be a little bit different type of cutting. I think what this type of die may or may not be what you need to cut this pattern out. Now, I'm not sure if your design is based on the outside borders. Since you have different sizes, I'm guessing it's not. But I want to show you how the material works with a different type of steel rule die. Now this is a 2-point blade. It's a little bit sharper blade. It's really razor sharp, and I think it'll cut through this material and leave a good edge quality. I'm going to go ahead, since the orientation is not going to matter on this, I'm just going to cut this. And you can see the piece sticks inside the die without ejection foam in there. So what I did with these is we put a hole in here so we could punch out the part. Now, if you want to look real close, you can see the edge is a nice clean edge all the way around the die, all the way around the cut. So you get a nice clean cut on there. Now this type of die I think is going to work best for whatever orientation you want. Now the clear back on the die is going to be an asset if you're using this type of material with this pattern on here. That way you can actually lay this down and orient your die to fit your pattern. Once your pattern's established, you can set it down and turn it whichever way you want to make sure you got the right cut. I'll go ahead and send you this video over and give you a call, and we'll discuss your options. Thank you.